Folks, I've seen every kind of engine out there. Big V8 ES, tiny 4 cylinders, even steam. But one always stands out, the Wankel rotary engine. Unlike most engines, which use pistons moving up and down, the Wankel spins a triangular rotor inside a special housing. It's a radical departure from the piston playbook. Smooth, continuous motion instead of violent starts and stops. Invented by Felix Wankel, this engine was designed to eliminate the inefficiencies and vibrations of traditional engines. The result? An engine that's smaller, lighter, and smoother than anything before it. Pop the hood of a rotary-powered Mazda, and you're looking at a piece of history, a testament to out-of-the-box thinking. The Wankel engine challenges everything we assume about how engines should work. It's a beautiful, elegant solution that trades brute force for graceful efficiency. For gearheads, it's a story worth telling, and a machine worth celebrating. The Wankel isn't just an engine, it's a revolution in a box. It's proof that there's always another way to solve a problem. And for those who love innovation, it's a reminder to keep thinking differently. The rotary engine is a true maverick, and that's why it still gets people talking. Let's peek inside. The star is the rotor, a chunky triangular piece of metal that spins and orbits inside a peanut-shaped housing. This unique shape creates 3 separate chambers as it turns, each sealed by special apex and side seals. The rotor's tips always touch the housing, forming pockets that expand and contract as the rotor moves. These pockets are where the magic happens: intake, compression, power, and exhaust, all in one smooth rotation. The housing's epitrochoid shape is crucial, guiding the rotor's motion and keeping those chambers sealed. Apex seals at each tip and side seals along the rotor keep combustion contained, but they're also the Wankel's Achilles heel, prone to wear if not maintained. Intake and exhaust ports are just holes in the housing, uncovered by the spinning rotor. No complicated valves needed. Most Wankels use 2 spark plugs to ignite the long combustion chamber efficiently. The rotor's motion is transferred to the eccentric shaft, which sends power to the wheels. Fewer moving parts mean less friction, less weight, and a compact design. It's a simple, elegant system. One moving rotor, one shaft, and a whole lot of clever engineering. No camshafts, no valves, just pure rotary motion. That's the genius of the Wankel. It's a different kind of engine inside and out, and that's what makes it so fascinating. So how does it all come together? The Wankel performs the same 4 strokes as a piston engine: intake, compression, power, exhaust, but all at once in different parts of the housing. As the rotor spins, each face is always in a different stage of the cycle, creating a seamless, overlapping flow of power. Intake. The rotor sweeps past the intake port, drawing in air and fuel. Compression. The chamber shrinks, squeezing the mixture. Power. The spark plugs ignite the compressed mix, pushing the rotor onward. Exhaust spent gases are expelled as the rotor uncovers the exhaust port. This continuous motion is what makes the Wankel so smooth. No punchy piston vibrations, just a turbine-like surge. The eccentric shaft turns 3 times for every rotor revolution, delivering frequent, even bursts of power. It's a dance of engineering, simple, efficient, and endlessly captivating. That's the Wankel's secret. The Wankel's simplicity is its superpower, just a rotor and an eccentric shaft compared to the maze of parts in a piston engine. Fewer parts mean less to brake, less friction, and a lighter engine overall. Its compact size lets designers mount it low and far back, giving cars like the RX-7 and RX-8 their legendary balance and handling. But the real magic is in the smoothness. No back-and-forth motion, just a constant, high-revving spin. The power delivery is seamless, with a redline that can soar past 9,000 RPM. It feels more like a jet turbine than a traditional engine. For every full rotor turn, the shaft spins 3 times, delivering a power stroke each revolution. That's more frequent than a typical 4-stroke piston engine, which only fires once every 2 crankshaft revolutions. The result? A unique, turbine-like feel that rotary fans love. It's a driving experience unlike any other. That's why the Wankel is so special. If the Wankel is so clever, why isn't it everywhere? The answer: challenges. Apex seals can wear out, and the engine shape can mean lower fuel efficiency and higher emissions. For most automakers, pistons are just easier and cheaper, but the Wankel's legacy is secure. Mazda put it in icons like the RX-7, RX-8, and even won Le Mans in 1991 with a rotary-powered car. That victory proved the rotary wasn't just a curiosity, it was a world-class performer. Today, the Wankel still inspires engineers and enthusiasts. Mazda's even brought it back as a range extender for electric cars, a perfect job for a smooth, compact engine. The Wankel is more than a curiosity. It's a lesson in daring to think differently. It may never have replaced the piston, but it offered a new path, a new sound, a new feel. For those who love the art of the automobile, the Rotary is a masterpiece of ingenuity, and it'll always have a special place in my garage.